Hi guys, Mr. Ringler here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make water rockets that can be made with some pretty basic household materials. You're going to need two 1-liter soda bottles. These are the best. You could use 2-liter bottles, but they don't fly as well. Ideally, you'll use seltzer bottles. You'll need a ball. Golf ball will work perfectly. Something about that size and weight. You'll need duct tape. You'll need some sort of knife. A box cutter works best. Kitchen knife also works. Scissors, Sharpie, and some cardboard for making wings. I'm going to start by showing you two very different rockets from last year, both of which were very successful. Now this one, you've got the bottle on the bottom, that's your engine. Make sure you do not cut that bottom bottle. It's got the wings, and at the very top, it's got a golf ball on the outside of the bottle. Now this is a good aerodynamic structure. The wings on this one were made to corkscrew. It sent the bottle spiraling through the air. This was a nice rocket. This one was the best rocket, and it has a bullet-shaped nose. The ball is inside the nose cone. I'll show you how to make that one. The wings are pretty sturdy, they're very straight. And again, the engine bottle is on the bottom. Again, do not cut this bottle or else it won't hold pressure. Step one, you need to make the nose cone. You need to start out by measuring where you're gonna cut the bottle. I recommend cutting this one bottle right about here. I'm gonna use my Sharpie to make a mark. And then I'm gonna take the knife Step two, the nose cone, I want to cut off this top part because I'm going to make the bullet-shaped one first. Option B has me just putting the golf ball on top and putting tape over it like this. You could also do that. That's much easier. Now that I've got my nose cone all set, I'm gonna line it up on this and I'm gonna tape it on. I wanna make sure it's super straight. Aerodynamics is everything here. So now I've got my basic missile. I just need to add wings for stabilization. Here I'm gonna use a ruler or a straight edge. I'm gonna use my cardboard, and I'm gonna make my wings pretty small. I'm gonna measure them out and I'm gonna cut them. You can go with 2 wings, 3 wings, or 4 wings. Attaching the wings is crucial. If you do a good job, the thing will fly well. If you do a bad job, the thing will stall out in the air and it will have a short, disappointing flight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a straight line. And I'm going to try to line it up with that straight line. And I'm going to tape it down right there. I'm going to start by putting the tape onto the wing like that. Let's see. And I'm gonna line it up. Gonna make sure it's going straight up and down. Usually it's better to have an extra set of hands here, but I'm gonna do my best on my own here. Got my 4 wings on. They're straight, but they're not on very tightly. So I'm gonna use a whole mess of duct tape. Not too much, but I wanna sort of lock this all down, okay? I don't want my wings to come off in mid-flight. That would be bad too. basically done. I just need to put a little more duct tape on to make sure these wings are secure, but all in all, it looks pretty good. Pretty straight flyer, wings look good. I just want to make it a little bit stronger. I might want to decorate it, who knows? And then we'll test it out, we'll see how it flies. Well, that's it for making water rockets. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck making your own rocket, and I'll see you next time. Bye.